Hello everyone, my name is Mohsen Bajwa and I have a background and by the way, this is my YouTube channel. So hello everyone. I have a background in mechatronics engineering or electromechanical engineering, you could say. And uh, I run a private school called, just give me a minute please. Yeah, I run a private school that's named Electromechanical Engineering Training Academy. Now, this school provides hands-on practical training to college students enrolled in electrical engineering technician programs, industrial electrician apprentices, electricians, and mechanical technicians. I teach the following subjects: programmable logic controllers, human-machine interface, supervisory control and data acquisition. So students deal with hardware such as Allen Bradley PLC5, SLC 500, Control Logics and Compact Logics 5000 platforms of programmable logic controllers, and they learn relay control logic, variable frequency drives, and relay-based three-phase motor control. Students also learn industrial PLC networks such as DeviceNet, Data Highway Plus, Remote I/O, Ethernet, ControlNet, you name it, right? Students get hands-on experience with softwares such as Connected Components Workbench, variable frequency drives, and three-phase motor control, RS-View32, Factory Talk View Studio, ME and SE, Automation Studio 6.2, etc. I also teach microcontrollers and Arduino Uno based programming using C, C++ language, electropneumatics, fluid power, electrical and mechanical, differential and integral calculus, as well as applied math. Also, students learn Applied Mechanics 1 and 2, Mechanics of Materials, Statics and Dynamics, ABB Robotics, ABB Robot Studio 6.2, Mechanical AutoCAD, and SolidWorks, and a whole lot more. You name it. Now that being said, the way this works is that students' first lesson will be of 0 Canadian dollars charge fee. That is, you pay nothing for your first hour, and after that, if you like how I teach, you pay me 30 Canadian dollars per hour, and I'll do my best to be a proficient instructor. Yeah, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mohsen Bajwa. Now, if you're interested in learning, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 289-933-4175. That is my cell phone number, Canadian, and my home phone, Canadian, would be 289 298 5425. And I'll post more content and videos for everybody to see what type of softwares and lectures, slides, or you could say what type of hardware students deal with, machinery and all that. So you guys have a better idea of what we do around here. All right, that's enough for today. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one. All right, bye for now.